Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 28th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we're on the 4-hour time frame to start with. So the US dollar Swiss is going up. As you can see, we got a break of structure. We are making higher lows, so we are in a move to the upside. Based on the dollar index, especially, I think that the move up is probably not over. It might actually end up being like a wave A, a wave B, and then potentially even going up and taking out this high for a wave C. Seems like the most likely scenario to me. So I have my Fibonacci retracement on here because these Fibonacci levels should act as areas of resistance on this move up and hopefully stop pullbacks because at the end of pullbacks we can go long again. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I'm personally not looking to short it because I don't trade the super short time frames anyways. But I'm hoping that this Fibonacci level does act as resistance. Hopefully it does start a move to the downside. If it does, the first thing I would do is on my Fibonacci retracement out here, observe the market, watch to see if it makes three waves down and a Fibonacci bounce. If it does, then that would be my next opportunity to go long, hopefully for the continuation of this move up on the 4 hour and daily time frame. Reason why I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short is because these counter trend moves are very unpredictable. It could like literally just make a little pullback and just keep on going up. So I would much prefer to just trade with the momentum, and the momentum is up right now. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.